Hi, it's me. You don't know me probably, but if you're seeing this, you most likely know the problem. You have a fancy microphone connected to Windows, but when you actually record something with it, it sounds like this, it sounds like a Happy Meal toy or something. I'm gonna show you how to fix that. This is Windows' fault because Windows sucks and it pissed me off so much I had to make a guide on how to fix it. Don't mind me, my Windows looks a little different, and also it's in Norwegian because I'm a weirdo, but you're gonna want to go to settings, okay? I believe you can find settings, you can follow along, there's little pictures here, you're an adult probably, maybe you know how to follow a video tutorial. Anyways, you go to system, go to sound, go to your microphone, and then down here you're gonna see like audio enhancements or something. It sounds like this. That I don't know what the fuck. Anyways, yeah, you're just gonna want to turn it off. Anyways, now that you've turned it off, your microphone sounds good. Leave a dislike on this video and remember to report this channel if this video tutorial guide thing helped you. Goodbye.